guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is a very excited day because it is week 3 of the challenge for the Make It Up series on Awesomeness TV. And this week's challenge seems like it's going to be a little challenging, but super fun. If you guys want to see how I scored and how I did on last week's challenge, go ahead and go onto AwesomenessTV and check out the Make It Up series over there and check out what really happened. Check out the tea. I felt like the judges judged me very fairly. They gave me an amazing score, and I was actually happy with what results I got. I knew I wasn't doing my best work, but the judges were super kind to me, super nice to me, and super motivating. That's what I love about the judges. And they let me know where I could work on and what I was doing great. And I really loved the round with the judges. And I still have time because I have week 3, which is now, and week 4 to make up my points and get to the top. I know I'm in the winning mentality. Keep it together. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I am so excited to open this. Last week's challenge was super exciting. It was super a vibe. So I am so excited to see what this week's challenge is. I'm hoping that it's something I can relate to. I am just loving this box every time. It's so pretty, such a vibe. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready to open this box, and you guys know I always love it. So let's go. Wow, this is gorgeous. I love this. This is a total vibe. So freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. So in the box we have this eyeshadow palette, which I am loving. I'm a huge fan of super bright colors. And here is the Snap mascara, which I'm really loving. That's so pretty. That's blue, which I'm so happy that this mascara is blue because it puts a fun spin on it. And this is an Ardell Fame Chaser. It's a liquid eyeliner, so it's white. Let's read this week's challenge, you guys. Let's glow crazy. Let's glow crazy. You guys all know I love a glow. In this challenge, you must create an editorial, photo-ready neon look, fit for the Fashion Week runway. That is totally my vibe. If you guys know, I'm always really into fashion, and I really love like high fashion looks. Let's talk about the rules. Rule 1, you must use exactly 10 products, the atomic number of neon. Skincare does not count. Rule 2, you must use one of every type of product included in the challenge box. Rule 3, after your look is Fashion Week ready, you must do a New York Fashion Week street style shoot to post to your Instagram. The judges will consider this in their evaluation. I mean, I'm here for it. Totally here for it. So I went ahead and picked out my items. As you can see there, I picked up one of each type of product. So these 3 were basically ones. So that already took 3 of my products. And then I had to pick one of these, so that's 4. And then this is 5. So I have this neon blue eyeliner. It's really pretty. And then I have the liquid eyeliner, which is great. This white is going to come in handy. And then I have this blue. I don't know how I'm going to use this, but we will try. Then I picked this Vivid Brights green. I went for green because I always do something purpley, so I wanted to change it up with green. And then I picked this up because this is, I mean, come on. If you're doing a neon look, you should have this completely. So this is product 5. And then I also need a liquid lip, so I went in with this black liquid lip. And then I did my brows with Soft Glam, so this is product number 7. And yes, I got a little smart and I got a whole eyeshadow palette, and I went for a neutral one because you always need neutrals whatsoever. I could do a lot with this on my face, so that's why I picked this. And then no look is good without some concealer. I definitely need a concealer. And then I also went in with foundation because I needed foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and take this color Noir right here, and I'm going to put that into my inner, like my crease. And I'm not going to use any transition color. I'm just going to pack this black onto my crease. I know just packing on black can be very scary because who does that? But I think I can handle this. One of my secrets to eyeshadow is always I love to take a heavier eyeshadow and blend it out. So I love doing the stamping technique. And the reason why I love doing the stamping technique is it just makes the blend a lot more, a little bit more a little bit more blended. So I just wanted to explain my look. If I was to go to Fashion Week, I know in Fashion Week there is no representation of plus size girls, especially in the fashion world. Representation of plus size girls is very few. It's improved a lot over the years, which is amazing. But if I was to go to Fashion Week, I was definitely going to go to Fashion Week with more of a statement. So you are going to see me putting some type of statement message on my makeup today. And the inspiration is that the fashion industry needs to be much more diverse, and they need to promote much more of a self-love environment and not such strict body standards. I definitely think the fashion industry lacks that a lot. In the beauty industry, it's spoken about a lot, but in the fashion industry, it's not spoken about as much. So I definitely have a lot of my look is going to basically inspire that energy. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is a super light concealer. It's almost a white concealer. And I need a product that's kind of tacky because we are about to wing it out. So that is the wing. Now we're going to go into this palette right here. And we are going to basically tap those colors into those places. I'm going to go in with a green, and then we're going to go in with an orange, and then we're going to go in with a pink. I'm just going back in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just cleaning up the line so it can look nice and fresh. And then now I'm going to go ahead and take this white liner, and I am going to draw a line. Now for the bottom liner, I'm literally obsessed with. Now I'm going to just go in with this to make an eyeliner. Just went in with this neon liner and I did eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with some black lipstick. I know you guys must be like, oh god, black lipstick. So on my lips is where I want to put my message at. Now for the eyes, I'm just gonna add some highlight just to make this whole thing come together. Inner corner. And then I want to do a little bit of a blush. So I'm going to go ahead and take these colors right here. I'm going to go in the center and just take those colors right there. And I'm just going to kind of just add a little bit color to my face again and add a little bit of highlight to my face. I'm just using this eyeshadow palette. Now you know why I picked this eyeshadow palette. And then I want to use this blue mascara on my under eyes. And lashes are my 10th product, and I'm gonna use a very, very minimal lash. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is totally something I would wear to New York Fashion Week's runway because I feel like body positivity and inclusivity isn't always included on the New York Fashion Week runway, and I just want to promote something positive if I was there and also bring some neon vibes. So if you guys like this look, go ahead and go to AwesomenessTV and check out the Make It Up series over there. Leave me the heart emoji, the happy face with 2 hearts emoji over there on their channel. Don't forget to check out all of my competitors down below and go and comment the same emoji, say Runa sent you, and don't forget to comment on this video as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!